गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. We are thankful to the Help Library to make this space available for us and to give you a chance to be able to listen and to give me a chance to be able to speak. Yes or no?
Yes.
So please offer your offerings to Help Library. Now, this topic is a very interesting topic, dowsing acupressure for pain management. Dowsing acupressure. Basically, meridian acupressure is the science that has already been carrying on for years together. But now this is dowsing acupressure. You will move dowsing, you will move the pendulum and you will get the points which are to be pressed for any joint pains. So there are two sciences involved in one thing, pain management. What are the two sciences? First is the art of dowsing and second is the acupressure to be given. Now here I suppose all will be lay people as far as dowsing and acupressure is concerned, both. We have got about 60 minutes in hand to cover up both. So first I will cover up qualities of a dowser, number 1. Number 2, techniques of acupressure. And number 3, practical approach to the patient of how to do dowsing acupressure. Okay? 3 steps will cover up the whole lecture. What is the advantage of meridian acupressure over dowsing acupressure? That first I want you to understand. Meridian acupressure is scientific acupressure which is continued for years together and same points are given to all the people. What is dowsing acupressure? Dowsing acupressure will be individualized acupressure according to the energy status at the given moment, at the given time of the patient. Dowsing acupressure will also differ for the same patient when done at 2 different timings. It may not be the same. And any acupressure done at any time will never have side effects. Okay? So don't have any fear that if I do something wrong, side effects will be there. Bottom line, number 2, acupressure can never be done in fever, in very high fever. Number 3, in cancer. Number 4, in HIV. Number 5, in TB. Number 6, in acute TB. Number 6, when patient has periods. Number 7, before and after periods. Before and during periods. During periods especially. These are the negatives. Now, what is the advantage of dowsing acupressure? The advantage of dowsing acupressure will be that you will get the points that are actually required to be stimulated, by which the blood circulation of that part will improve and the pain will be relieved. It could be 1 point, 2 point or 3 points. Okay? How frequently is acupressure to be done? It can be done as frequently as 2 hours a day if it is acute. If it is chronic, it has to be done every day, twice a day, till the pain recovers. What is the benefit of acupressure over other sciences? The benefit of dowsing acupressure over other sciences is that it will stimulate your own potential or own body parts to recover its own power and not be dependent on medicines. That is, suppose if you are taking Combiflam, Voveran SR for pain, it will make a neurological block to the brain and that pain sensation will be stopped, so you feel better. But with acupressure what will happen? The circulation will improve and the natural tendency of the organs of the body to function properly will be stimulated. That is what is the function of acupressure. Acu is self and pressure is giving pressure. Dowsing acupressure, I only have given the name because with dowsing you can do. Dowsing is a beautiful science. You can combine it with what? With Vastu, with acupuncture. You can combine it with fashion designing. You can combine it with astrology, because it is energy and energy is everywhere. So all mingle, match, mix can be done. So first, any questions on this? Can I go to qualities of a dowser? I'll go. Any question?
Can dowsing be combined with martial arts?
Of course, why not? 100%. कोई डाउट ही मत रखो, वो तो एनर्जी है, उसके साथ स्विम करके नाचो, झूमो. You have to love it. I'm so happy I'm speaking on this lecture. This is the first time I've taken the topic also. First time, offhand I just decided I want to speak on this. I've not studied nothing. It's going so well. Yes or no? So you can combine it with anything and everything you want. Now, qualities of the dowser. Anyone can start with qualities of the dowser if they know something. You must, say.
In dowsing, you can see where the pain, what else you can come to know immediately.
No, you say qualities of a dowser, I'm saying.
The qualities, you can come faster. You can come faster to the disease.
What else? You are saying you can come faster to the disease. I am saying qualities of a dowser.
It gives you answers in terms of yes and no.
It gives you answer, correct?
So whatever questions you put forward.
I am saying what are the qualities of a dowser? Mental state कैसा होना चाहिए dowser का? Sound mind कैसा होना चाहिए? That you tell. Whatever you know.
Sympathetic.
Or
Should be mindful.
what else?
Where to surrender from.
Okay, what else? First, what is essential is that you will have to chant Om about 10 times or 11 times, so that you are completely blank in the mind, number one. Number two, you see one thing, that energy travels. So whatever your thoughts are will be transmitted to the pendulum. So your thoughts have to be, thought is a force which creates direction to the pendulum. But only if you are blank, the direction to the pendulum will come from the cosmos. Are you getting my point? Only you have to be blank, that is essential. Your mind has to be at a zero level. Fulcrum uska zero par hona chahiye. Acha, emotionless. No attachment to the answer. And not to be angry, not to be upset. Not to have any expectation from the answer. To be detached from what you are doing. मैं करूंगा तो फायदा होगा ही, ऐसा भी नहीं. ये सब, these are the qualities of the mind that one must have. And the bottom line is you must have unconditional love and passion to do it. If you have a passion to do it and unconditional love to do it, you will do it with all your heart. There is no logic behind logic. Where logic ends, this begins. Dowsing begins. The logic mind has no answers to dowsing. And the readings that will come of the dowsing will be different at different levels. Can we just take up 5 minutes now, practical of dowsing? Then we go to what is acupressure, how it is done, and then this. In dowsing, what is more important is your feet have to touch the floor, 1. Number 2, your pockets have to be empty. Number 3, in the purse, no cards of other people have to be there. No cards of outside people or even your relatives, neighbors, कोई नहीं, खाली आपका इष्ट देवता और आपका कार्ड. Why? Because all energy travels. अगर आप सबका कार्ड रखते हो आपके पर्स में, तो वो सबका ग्रह नक्षत्र आपको अफेक्ट होता है. Now something what I am saying out of point is, even at home put only brown paper in the cupboard and no newspaper anywhere, because everything is carrying energy. वो सारा एनर्जी उसमें रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा. Okay, purse should not be kept on this side, below in the hip. It should be kept up. Never in here on the hip pocket, only it should be in the upper pocket.
Purse.
purse?
The bag.
In the bag is okay. This is
Watch.
watch is okay. Watch you can wear. This is all for the energy level I am saying. Acha, pendulum is available at Zoroastrian Homeopathic Pharmacy. If you all do not have a pendulum and after this lecture you want to go and buy, there you will get it for 110 rupees. Okay? Or at any crystal shop. You can even take a stone, even take a keychain, or even take something that is round. Anything that can move is a pendulum. But what is important is that pendulum has to be kept near a sacred place. That is your puja, wherever you all have God's murti and all. And you can move an agarbatti 11 times to it before you start doing it. Because you are energizing that. And one person's pendulum cannot be used by another person. Why it cannot be used? Because you are transferring energy that way. Now we'll start. We keep our hands like this straight. No crossing of legs. Removing chappals and sitting. Removing shoes and sitting. Why removing shoes? Because shoe has dirty energy. We walk on the street, no? So if that is being this from the floor, you will get direct energy. Okay. Technique of holding the pendulum. 2 fingers, 3 fingers separate. Why 3 fingers separate? Because all the 5 fingers constitute the 5 elements of the body. Vayu, Agni, Tej, Akash. In English, if we say air, fire, earth, metal and water. That is why the 5 fingers have to be separate. Now, what is positive, what is negative? 2 techniques of positive, negative. If my center line is the fulcrum,